Welcome! In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can change dish setup. At the first, grab your remote control and move to the menu. Next, you have to scroll down with arrows and go to the dish setup, click OK. And as you can see, at the first we can change the satellite. You are navigating with your arrows on the remote control. Let's pick Intelsat. When you tap right arrow, you can move to the Intelsat that you select. Here you can change the LNB type, LNB power, tone burst, motor, on cable setting. As you can see, we can basically here change a lot of things. So you have to decide what you want to get. And if you want to save the changes, you have to simply click OK and then just tap on the menu 2 times to go back. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.